So last time we have run few commands. So from that only I think we should start. So in the
Yes,
last class I've shown you till creating the instances, right? But I think we haven't changed the reason. So we will start from the beginning. And regarding this IoT Greengrass, hope it is clear to you, right? Means what actually is green grass, IoT green grass, and why do we use it? And you might means whatever the brief idea summary that I have given to you, is it clear to you, right? How the
yes.
communications happen? Okay, so let's start with that. So just log in with the your AWS account. One minute. Let me check it. Yeah. Hmm. So you can search on the Google like AWS console. Once you type the AWS console, the screen will be visible to you. It will take some time. Might be my network is slow. That's why. Let it be. Okay, yeah. So here you can see this Cloud9, or you can search from here also. Before doing that, first select this region to the US East one. This is the central region, and why we select this one? Because other reason will might be in some of the resources are not available. As I said you the instances, right? How we create an instance. So the different reason having a different kind of instances and different kind of configuration. So the US East one, that is this default one, this Virginia is the best one reason. That is the instances was uh, the server was available in the US East and Virginia, and its name is US East one. So you can select this one, and once you select it, give a moment, let it select. Yeah. Now you click on this Cloud9. Just 1 minute, ma'am. I think I got one call. Yeah. Sorry for the disturbance. Sorry. Actually, it's Swanita ma'am only she called me. Means that she want a link. Do you have all the link, right? Means the link was shared with you earlier, right?
Yes, it was the same link.
Yeah, I don't know why. Means this means I got a call from Hackweather that she doesn't having the link. Okay, let me share the link with her. Okay. Yes. Might be my network is slow, so it is taking time. But once you get the console, just type the Cloud9. Yeah, it will coming. Yes, click on this create environment and give the name like demo, and then just click on this next step. And you can see this is the instance configurations. As I said you in the last class also, if you forget the step, then you can just have a look on this. Like these all are the instance type, means easy to instance. uh, you can create remote server. So these are the different kind of instance configuration. This is the how much GB and CPU you need it. Yeah, she joined. So here you can select this one also, M5 large also. So these are just the name of that. If you want other than this also, then you can select it. Click on this other instance type, and from here you can get several options. If you want something which is having more CPU and more GB, means more memory. These all are talking about the RAM. This GBs are in the RAM and these are the CPU, but we don't want that. We're going to use the free one as we are learning for. So it's we are using the free one. Then I will going to use the Amazon Linux OS, and these are the some just like an OS, Window, Mac. So here I'm selecting the platform Linux, Amazon Linux 2, which are given by the Amazon. And the cost saving setting, in the sense, it means that if the that particular instance is not be used for the continuous 30 minute, it will go in this hibernate state. So you can select it if you want. By default it is 30 minute. You can change it also if you want to stop the instance after 1 hour, few hour, or day, after a week, that you can select it. Once you are good to see this configuration, then you can click on this next step and you will get this screen. Here the same thing, whatever you have selected, it will give you the details about it, like what is the description, what is the type of the instance, what is the instance type, means here you have used the free one. Platform, what platform you have selected here, and what was the cost saving setting, right? And so this is related to that. And once you are okay with this, then you can click on this create environment. Wait for few seconds, maybe a minute. It will take some time to launch this instance. And we have done till here. Till here, is anyone is facing any error? Anyone of you?
No.
Yeah, okay. After that, we will going to do the commands. We will going to run the command line by line, and we are going to launch the instance.
So do we need to create that key again, Amit?
No, if you have that key, you can try with that.
Okay.
I will going to check with that only. We don't need that if key is already created in the key pair. We don't need to create again. But the only thing is that you need to keep that key safely, in case if your instance got crash, or in case if you instance get locked due to the inactivity or something, then that key will going to help you. It is nothing but just like an identification or like a validation that you are the authenticate one, because creating an instance take times, and it can be used by anyone, so that key can be useful to recover that. So let's run the command. So as I in the last class I have told you, so before that we will going to upload the file. So I will going to upload the my key pair. Click on this file, upload a local file, select, and wherever you have saved that key, you can go to that path. Let me check it. So my key is this one. I have selected this. Now you can see once you are select with this one, you will get this EE default key pair PM file, right? Now once it is uploaded, you need to run the command. Now as I said you need to run this command. To chmod command is for giving a permission to the instance. So we will going to run this command now, and let's see that. So I have run this and it's successfully run. Now the next step is we need to run the another command, and this command is installation of an AWS CDK, means just like
Can
an
you please write that command in chat box?
yeah, you can write also.
No, no. Can you write, please?
Yes, yes. Usually I write it only, but sometime this key pair name sometime it get disturbed, so I just copy it. Otherwise you can write it from your own also. It's not a big deal. So you can see I have written here. Now I will going to run this. So it says
In
run
chat
success.
box. I'm asking in chat box,
Oh,
please.
sorry. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I sent it to you. Means I sent to everyone. Did you get it? The next thing is like we need to install the cloud development kit, just like a SDK software development kit in the Cloud9 environment, so that we can use this IoT environment successfully. So in order to do that, CDK is like a cloud development kit, and it will going to help you to start the IoT
So,
configuration.
sorry for interrupting you, but this
Yeah,
command is not working. It is saying that can't access EE default key pair
yeah. Why it is
dot
giving
can.
access? Last time also
I
I've
have
shown you
uploaded.
that you need to
Hmm.
create this key. Do you have this key pair on your, have you uploaded this with this name?
Yeah, that I have uploaded.
Your file name is this one.
No.
Then that's the reason, right?
Okay.
In the last class
Okay.
only I
So I
told you.
need to write yeah, chmod
Yeah,
400.
and the name of file. You need to write the name of file whatever you have. In my system it was IoT double E default key
Yes,
pair.
now it's working. Sorry for interrupting. Now it's working. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So as I said, you like you need to install the cloud development kit in the Cloud9 environment, the instance that you have created it. So for that, you need to run this command: npm install -g AWS cloud development kit, and this is the version of that. So this -g is some options normally in the Linux command. Whenever you see just like this hyphen any of the particular character, it means that within that installation, means cloud development kit installation, you want to do some additional feature or you want to do something extra. So that's why we add like this, just like here for AWS cloud development kit, you have written hyphen version. So this hyphen version in the sense for we want to find out what is the current version of that. So we do that. So similarly here, in order to install that CDK, we need to write npm install this command. I'm sending you on the chat also, and I will
Now
go.
I think I have taken that document. I have opened that document, so I can access all the commands from there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is
Okay, so now I will going to run this here. So it will take some time. You can see on my screen, it is taking it is doing some installation. So actually it is trying to install the CDK on your system, and it is giving me with an error because it's already been installed in this particular instance. But when you will doing on your system, you won't get that. This is the reason why I'm getting, because I have created many time these instances, and I've installed multiple time here. That's why you means in here I got the warning, and here I got the error that this npm code exists. But can you just run on your system and check whether you are getting the same error or it is working for you? Because it is saying in the log that this run can be found in this location. Means if I click on this location, yeah, it's working, right? Yes.
It's not
So
working in my system. It's giving n numbers of errors and warnings.
what
If
error
you
it is
see,
giving?
first line is code e target, then error not target, no matching version found for AWS CDK at the rate one जो भी वो लिखा हुआ है.
uh,
Uh,
okay, can
अच्छा,
you?
just a second. I'll rerun. Huh?
Hmm.
Just a second.
Because it won't be, because it is running in another system. So I think you need to check the command whether you have written the command correctly or what. In
I
my
just
system,
copied. I just copied from there. Just a second.
okay, yeah,
Uh,
because
no, I'm getting in various numbers of errors and warnings.
okay, can you show me that?
हाँ या क्योंकि एक्चुअली मुझे याद है हमने दीपांशु
Hmm.
सर के साथ भी ना इसको कई बार करा था एनपीएम
Hmm.
इंस्टॉल. तो मे बी
Hmm.
इस वजह से एरर आ रही है.
Yeah, because see, this npm, once it is just like your system. When you
हाँ हाँ
install in this instance this software, and if you try to install again, it will give an error, just like I am
हाँ
getting an error.
या तो आई थिंक
Uh,
आई एम आल्सो गेटिंग द सेम एरर बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम रीजन
did
दैट
you
यू
see
वर
this line? Npm code exist. Are you
एंड
able to see
या
this?
आई एम फाइन.
Yeah.
हाँ,
So it means
सेम
that
सेम.
you have already installed. And
ये
did you see this path, like
हाँ
home EC2 user npm log?
या सेम
Yeah.
सेम. या
So
आई एम
it
आल्सो
means
गेटिंग.
that it is already present on your
या
system.
सो
So you
हाउ
don't
कैन
need
आई
to
रिमूव
install.
दैट. अच्छा, आई
No
डोंट
need to
नीड टू
remove. Yeah,
रिमूव.
you no
अच्छा,
need to remove it.
ओके
It's
ओके
already there.
ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन.
Oh, sorry, I have written the wrong command. Okay. The next step is we need to do it here. The next step is you need to check it whether what version of that npm is available. Means the cloud development kit that you have installed, what is the version of that? So you need to check it in the system, means in the instance. Then how you're going to do that? CDK hyphen hyphen version. So see, it is giving the version 1.110.1. It means that it is already available in my system. I was getting an error because it was already installed, and when I try to reinstall it, it will give an error. In order to reinstall, you need to remove it. You need to run the several command, but that is the a lengthy step. I will go for that. Okay, so you just run this command and check whether are you getting the current what is the current version.
Yes, yes, getting that.
Yeah, so the command is cdk hyphen hyphen version. Sorry, I need to send it on chat. You all are having command, right? Or not?
Yes, we are having, I think.
Yes, we are having. Yes.
Okay. So once you are done with this, the next step is you need to check the code, means you need to clone the folder. Clone the folder in the means have you ever used the GitHub before?
No.
Okay.
No.
It is the general repository, a Git repo where we keep the code, so that suppose if Manju ma'am she changes the code, suppose you all are working on a same code, and Manju ma'am she changes the code, then you can also able to see that what changes she has made on the code. So you don't need to ask them to share the code with you. It's like a platform. GitHub is one platform where we upload the code, and you can make the record of that, like who has done the last changes. So while cloning this also might be I will get an error because I've already cloned it, but you can try with this. Let me try and show you. Git is a command to clone it. Clone means from there I want to download this folder. This is the path. AWS, this is my folder. AWS IoT Greengrass Age Analytics is a folder, and it is present in this path. Okay, and I wanted to download on my server. Means you want to download on your system. Then what command you will going to run this? Git command, git clone, and the path from where you want to download. Okay, just like here, let me show you what actually the GitHub. Yeah, you can see this like a screen, right? Here in this is the my username, and this is the folder. Inside this folder, I kept this code. Okay, now you want to download a folder. How you can do it? You just need to click on this code button, and you need to copy this. Okay, you need to copy this path. This path you can get it right. HTTP GitHub username, and this is the folder name. When you add a git clone on the server, you need to install the git software. When you write this command git clone, and you will just need to copy this path, you will able to get this all folder on your server. Okay, so this is the server where I have uploaded my video, sorry, my uh, code, so I can use it, and anyone they can download it also. So it is the GitHub is one repository we say it, so that in company we use it. In software company we use this GitHub, so that suppose in a team 5 people are working on a same code, so he don't need to ask the other person to send me the changes. He can simply open a file and see the changes what he has done. Let me show you if I can have a. Today is actually I'm struggling with the internet issue. Some speed is low. Okay, let it be.
I have the same problem. I'm sorry to interrupt. So
Yeah.
this is what I wanted to ask you. I tried everything yesterday on my own, but when it
Mhm,
came to deployment, something
mhm.
failed. I got errors. So
Okay.
every time I rerun or I restart the AWS, will I have to run all the command from the beginning?
No, you if you have already done the installation, cloning, you don't
Yes.
need to run the command. You need to run the command from where it get fail. And some and the reason is that once you have downloaded it, you need to remove it also, because obviously if you install it and you try to reinstall any software on that, it will give an error, right? So you need to start from that place from where you start getting an error. You don't need to repeat that, Now I will show you. Even I when I will going to do this step, I will also get the error because I've already cloned it. Might be, let me check it.
So
See,
other than cloning, let's say जो
hmm,
npm वाला हमने run किया,
हाँ,
if I rerun it
hmm.
next time, वो ठीक है? Will that also give me error?
Yeah, that's why I said you right, because you
I
have
see.
already
Okay.
installed the software on that particular instance. Now, if you do that, you need to remove it. You need to uninstall that. For that, several commands are there. Uh, in separate session, I will connect and I will explain you how in the Linux. Have you ever tried with uninstalling software in the Linux? Because this is completely based on the Linux environment. Amazon
I
Linux
have
we have.
not. I've not.
So
Okay.
yeah, okay. So in the Linux, how we uninstall it, similarly you need to do it here also. If you want, you need to install the npm and then you need to rerun that. So now I have already cloned it. Let me show you. When I type this ls command, just 1 minute. So see, when I type this ls command, you can see this AWS IoT Greengrass A Genetics. This is the folder. Now it is available on my server, and I am having this key also, right? I told you that ls command is used for what? Ls command is used to get the list of file that are available in particular location. So when you type this ls command, you can also try on your system what you are getting. I think you will get the key name and this read.md file. Just check once. If you have not run this command, you will get only these two
Yes.
because, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the list of folder, or you can say it documents, or you can say the list of content on the particular location. So I mean to say that this is my account, Amit, and inside this environment, inside this EC2 instance, I have these three file. So now if you want to check it what actually the content inside that, you can simply type sd aws tab. So once I press tab button, you will get the complete name of the folder that is starting with AWS. So you don't need to remember it. Once I press enter, I come to that path. Now I will type ls and I will see like these are the different files that are available in this particular folder. Means inside this folder, I am having this file, JSON file, JavaScript, bin, workshop guide, and different thing are there. Now, if you want to go back again on this location environment, you just need to type cd means dot dot and see you come back to the environment. Now if I type ls, I will get these three, right? So it depends on you like how you know or aware about these commands. Okay. And one more thing, if like suppose if we get disconnect, ma'am, please join that same meeting link. Okay. So I will show you the another command also now. So have you tried with this git clone? Yeah, okay. I have sent it to you on the chat also. Now I will go to that path. As I said, you cd IoT path, and I will go to install npm inside that path. Npm is deep in order to make the dependency between the file. We need that dependency in the sense whenever we install any software or package, you want to have a dependency or you want to have a building between those file. Building in the sense they should properly communicate with them, like one file is depend on another file, right? Let me show you what actually I mean to say that. As I already said, did before also, AWS tab button, so tab key. So I will come to this path, and now I will going to write npm install. So this will going to install the dependency to run this particular code that are present inside this. So ls, so when I type this ls command, these are the different file. So in order to make the building of this folder. Means these all file will combine together to form this particular folder. Means there is different code are there. You can see JavaScript code, JSON file is there, and there are different config file are there. So in order to make a proper coordination on those file, you need to write this, means you need to install this command npm install, and you can see I'm doing the same step, npm install. So when I press enter, let's see what I should see. As I said you, it will going to install the dependency. It will take some time. Now it is showing me that run npm audit fix to fix them, or npa. It is saying that 19 package are looking for funding, run npm fund. Means it is installed in my system, and it is telling me that almost 1012 packages have been added within this 21 second. Can you check in on your system whether it is working fine?
Same type of thing is coming on my screen also.
Yeah, so it means that the dependency is installed successfully. Now
See, Amit,
hmm,
actually, what I'm getting is audited three packages in the found zero vulnerabilities. Is it okay?
yeah, zero vulnerability means
Mm,
you don't have any error.
okay, but I'm not getting this kind of
Yeah,
screen over there.
uh, I think we are just about to having only 30 second. Can you connect back and
Hmm.
share me the screen?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, please join the same link.